If you want a quick and easy way to enhance the lines of the G82 M4 while adding a touch of carbon fiber, you're in the right place as we go from this to this. The G82 M4 is getting a trio of carbon fiber goodies today, in the form of wider brake ducts, a more aggressive spoiler, and a front lip. Coming straight from the UK of the carefully crafted hands of R44, you know these parts are top notch. Aside from the fact that R44 uses the OEM style weave to potentially match up with other parts, they use pre-preg carbon. This is a special reinforced carbon fiber, giving you increased strength and durability. It can be up to 70% lighter than its counterparts, making this ideal for those who want the lightest weight setup. Quality-wise, pre-preg carbon is more consistent at eliminating imperfections and air bubbles, resulting in a sleek, smooth, high-gloss finish that will last and be the perfect complement to your ultimate driving machine. Of these three pieces, we'll start at the front with the brake ducts. Once we get past the weather stripping and all the fasteners holding in the bumper, we can remove it, giving us access to the inner trim holding in the brake duct and grille. With the old parts out, we can see our new part not only looks better, but will better direct more air to the brakes and oil cooler, offering a slight boost in performance to complement the enhanced aesthetics. With that in, we can reinstall the inner trim and throw back on the bumper so we can move on to the lip installation, which thanks to R44's thoughtfulness and precision, uses some of the OEM mounting locations, allowing the lip to sit in the proper position every time. They even provided all the necessary double-sided tape, making this one of the easiest and secure lip installs we've ever done. And unless you're anticipating some very adverse conditions, you don't really need to worry about drilling into the bumper and relying on additional self-tappers. Rounding off at the rear, we have a more aggressive carbon fiber spoiler to replace the dinky stock one in piano black. With the aid of some fishing wire and a cheese wheel, we can easily remove it along with its adhesive, giving us a clean surface to line up our R44 carbon fiber spoiler before pressing it in with its supplied double-sided tape, making this kit overall one of the easiest and fastest ways to enhance the looks of your G80 M3 or G82 M4. Just like that, this G82 M4 has spiced up its front and rear end with these carbon fiber pieces that have a nice edge to them that go well nicely with the rest of the body lines of the car. But an aero kit seems a bit off when it comes this high off the ground, for which we'll turn to lowering springs that you can check out right over here, and we'll see you in that one.